My name is Vaniya. Those of you who don't know my name is Vaniya. And we're going to read a bedtime story called Elephant and Mouse. With the elephant and the mouse.
Okay.
The elephant and the mouse, my favorite.
Oh, is it? Okay, so we can start reading.
Elephant and the mouse. Elephant looked at the elephant looked at the mouse. Two littles, he said. The elephant looked at the mouse. Two littles, he said.
Well, what are they doing?
The elephant can reach and the mouse can't reach.
Oh, let me see. Oh, yeah?
Yeah, but the mouse is too little.
Oh, is he? Okay.
And he can't reach on the log too. Next, the elephant looked at the mouse. Too little, he said. The mouse is too little strong, but the elephant is super duper strong.
Oh, wow.
Because he has power. Elephant has power. The elephant looked at the mouse. Too little, he said. Elephant put the water on his belly.
Oh, yeah? Okay.
But the stone comes, look, rocks.
Okay.
You can't look rocks. He has little big storms are coming, and he has little storms coming.
Okay.
So the next one, the rain. It was raining all from the sky. And look, it's raining.
Oh, yeah? Oh, wow. The elephant doesn't have anything on him, but the mouse has a leaf on top of him. Wow.
He means a big leaf. The mouse looked at the elephant. Too big, he said. Too big. He had a place to hide, and he didn't.
Oh. Wow.
Poor elephant.
Poor elephant, yes.
He needs a hiding place.
Yeah? He does.
I really like this story. It was a really cool story. Put your thumbs up. If you like it, put your thumbs up. If you don't like it, put your thumbs down. If you like it funny, you put your thumb on the side.
Oh, really? Okay, we'll do that.
Who likes the story?
I do.
Who?
I am Olive.
Put your thumbs up. Who does not like it?
Oh, everybody likes it.
Bye, everyone. I'm going to see you next time. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.